Ready? Teddy's first Pokemon vending machine. Go on, buddy. We've got four setups. So push it, Nate. Push that in. All the way in. Keep pushing hard. All the way.
No, it isn't.
There we go.
Hang
on, pull the full out.
Okay.
Not yet, sweet. What we got? A look.
These two.
Gerda and a Don Fan.
There.
Yep.
Mag.
What's that? No, you should have two in there.
It's only one.
Next one.
I bet there's going to be lots of puppies in that room. No, we went like out to Chivy and like we went out the old Chivy.
Oh, this one's for Pokemon Go.
Oh yeah, Pokemon Go card, Spinac and a Tadbub. Last one.
Last one, nothing. I've got Eevee and...
Oh, Riola and Eevee. Cool. Is that cool, mate? Did you enjoy that?